Today, we are talking about something that I believe is crucial in selling your home effectively, and that is the When it comes to selling a home, it's not just about listing it online. It's about bringing the property to life. Photos are great, but they can only show so much. That's where videos come in. With video, potential buyers can experience a true flow of the home's layout, the interplay of the light, and the beautiful landscaping. It's an immersive experience that helps viewers visualize living in the space. Imagine being able to walk through a home without leaving your chair. Video walkthroughs make this possible, giving buyers a sense of what it's like to live in the property. But that's not all. We also use advanced tools like 3D Matterport tours, which allow buyers to explore every nook and cranny virtually. This technology is incredibly powerful, and it lets buyers see themselves living in the home before they even step foot inside. And then there's drone footage. It provides breathtaking aerial views of the property and its surroundings, showcasing the neighborhood in a way that photos just can't do. Whether it's highlighting the nearby parks, shopping centers, or scenic views, drone footage gives buyers a complete picture of the lifestyle that they can enjoy at this home. So it's important to remember, it's not just about the home itself, it's about the lifestyle and the neighborhood. So using videos to detail this will help buyers really envision themselves as part of the local fabric, highlighting amenities like the schools, the public transportation, community events. This is what sets a house apart from a home. From an SEO perspective, video content is a game changer. It boosts the visibility of your listing online, making it more accessible to potential buyers. Video content keeps viewers engaged for longer, which signals to search engines that your listing is high quality and relevant. This means more traffic, more inquiries, which equates to more showings and more offers. Incorporating floor plans also into your marketing strategy can be incredibly effective. It gives buyers a really clear understanding of the layout and helps them visualize how they can use the space. So why settle for just photos when you can give buyers a complete experience? With the right video marketing, you can attract more interested buyers, sell your home faster, and for a better price. Who doesn't want that? If you're looking to sell your home and you want to stand out in the market, let's talk about how we can create a compelling video strategy that showcases not just your home, but the lifestyle and the neighborhood that comes with it. Shannon Ellison here, on video, to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. And I will see you again soon.